Hey guys, so while I was at the Dark Explorers pre-release, or the first one at least, I don't know if I go to the second one yet or not, I picked up this thing right here, the Forces of Nature collection. It's a pretty nice box. Sorry about the finger. Pretty nice box. Has the full art Landorus, which is really just awesome, but the packs all suck so hard. Like the worst two sets currently in rotation they put in this box. Emerging Powers and Call of Legends. So, whatever, but the cards are still cool at least. So let me set this back down carefully. And check it out. So here's the front, which you just saw. The side says Forces of Nature Collection, because that's what it is. Top has a logo and these weird little handle things. I'm not sure why. Forces of Nature, and the three genies. Here's the back with the genies and some text. If the little focused, you can read that. Whoa. Meh. Anyway, let's crack it open. Opening boxes full of Pokemon cards. Yeah. Damn it. Alright. So, here is the Full Art Landorus promo. It's very cool. It has the same textured effect that the other Full Arts have. It's very glossy. Kind of bent, but whatever. Still looks cool. Then we have junk packs, 2 Emerging Powers, and a boring, god-awful Call of Legends. And then we also have these promos. The Thunders, which is the same as the Emerging Powers one, but different, and Reverse Hollow. And also a promo. And also Tornadus. Again, same thing, just different picture, Reverse Hollow, and promo. So that's pretty cool. Put this stuff away. I can figure it out. Go back in the box with you. Close enough. These promos aside, and here we go with the packs. Pack 1 is Call of Legends. Now I still need, so many shinies from this set. Too many shinies, in fact. It's a whole lot. I can't recall exactly how many. Whoa. Let's not do that again. Where'd my little stand go? Oh, there it is. See, that's the problem with having a very fragile semi-tripod. So my tripod's actually a phone stand and my 3DS charging cradle. And a tin. That's right, I'm creative. Whatever. Alright. Cool. Let's try this again. So, Call of Legends. 10 cards. Lame. Alright, Cyndaquil. Snubbull. Pidgey. Slowpoke. Mischievous. Sage's Training. Nice. Vaporeon. Flaffy. Reverse is an Eevee. And the rare is a Hollow Hitmontop. That is cool. But of course I think I already have that, so whatever. Still, nice to pull hollows. Wow, I can't talk today. Alright, next, 2 Emerging Powers. We'll start with Cobalion. Because he is an awesome mofo. Look at that. Rawr. What is wrong with me? Code card. Mine. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Got a Joltik. Petalil. Cubchoo. Clink. Deerling. Whimsicott. Cheren. Nice. Ferrothorn. Reverse is a Gothita. And the rare is a Holo Thundurus. Alrighty. Again, I already have this, but actually, I finished the set already, so. But still, nice to get a holo, and it's in the Force of Nature collection box, so hey, what the hell. That's awesome. Last pack is Darmanitan. So I can't say it's been a bad box, because it's been a good box. Yeah. Yeah, good box. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright. Vullaby, Pansear, Emolga, Drillbur, Deerling, other Drillbur, Watchog, Sigilyph. Reverse is Great Ball. And the rare is a Swoobat. No surprise, it's kind of lame, but I pulled 2 holos, which is awesome. I had the hit on top, and the Thundurus. Now, of course, the main point of the box was to get the fancy promos, especially the Full Art Landorus, because that just looks fantastic. Alright, that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.